Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony CMT-SBT20 or SBT20D Stereo home audio system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this on this stereo for one of two reasons. The first one's troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with it, like it's not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing with your Bluetooth devices, or it seems to be having sound issues, it's not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to wipe all the pairing history off of it, all of your settings and configurations you want wiped off, just like it's coming out of the box new. We can go ahead and do that really easily on this stereo. All we need to do is, first of all, the stereo needs to be on for this to work. If it's not on, it won't work, so make sure the stereo is on. And then all you're going to do is come in and press the function and eject buttons simultaneously, and just keep holding them until you see it'll actually come up and say reset on the display, indicating that the reset is complete. And then you can go ahead and set up your stereo like it's brand new.